In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Minecraft Crossplay PlayStation 5 and PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up crossplay between Minecraft Bedrock on PC and PlayStation 5. So, if you want to set this up, the most important thing is that you must have a Microsoft account connected. The Microsoft account is going to act as the bridge between different platforms, so you and your friends will different platforms can play together as long as everyone has a Microsoft account and a gamer tag set up. You will need to connect it even on the PlayStation 5, so there will be a pop-up telling you to sign in with an account. Now, to play together, go ahead and join any world. You can join it on PC or PlayStation 5, it doesn't matter. Whoever wants to host, will be able to go ahead and join the world. Now, one important thing to pay attention to is the world settings. So if you go into settings, multiplayer needs to be enabled. If this option is grayed out, you need to back out first. So back out, go into the settings of that specific world, and under the multiplayer tab, it needs to be enabled here. Then you can set up the player access. Usually friends is okay, but if you only want people that receive direct invites to join, then choose the option here, and then choose the default permissions. Member is fine if all of you just want to play together, but operator can be useful if you intend to use commands. So now once you go inside of the world, like I said before, you can pause the game at any point, and at the right side of the screen, invite the game. Now choose your friends that you want to invite. If you still need to add them, go over to the add friend option and then copy your gamer tag. Give your friend your gamer tag, or you ask them to give them theirs, and once you add each other, you will see yourselves listed here. So you just select them and then send out the invites. They will get a notification, they can accept and join the world to play together. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Minecraft Crossplay PlayStation 5 and PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.